We are gathered here to inform you about one of our institute's event named Alchiranga 2025. The event starts on the evening of 30th January with a classical music night followed by the next 3 days of various cultural programs that include dance, music, cultural competitions, performance from various art forms from various parts of northeastern India, and the pro nights. This is one of the greatest cultural extravaganza which our institute hosts every year. We expect guests from educational institutions of various parts of our country, professionals working in various government, semi-government and private sectors, and many others, those who work in various walks of life. Alchiranga has a heritage of more than 20 years and is considered as one of the flagship events of IIT Guwahati. We have our student team here who are really working in forefront to organize this event. You can get more details from them.
Alchiranga, also known as Alchir, is the Northeast's largest cultural fest conducted by a student body. It started in 1996 with a bunch of students, precisely 6. Now Alchiranga has become a massive cultural extravaganza in the Northeast. We have 80 plus events, 48 plus competitions, and a footfall of 140,000 at an average each year. At Alchiranga, the 29th edition is set from 30th January to 2nd Feb. On 30th January, we have inauguration with our respected chief guest and a classical night named as Saj. In Saj, famous flutist Rakesh Chaurasia will be coming to perform. Then from 31st morning, the Alchiranga will start from its full energy with full of competitions, events, pro shows and everything. On 31st evening, we have Jagannath, which is a surprise night in which Yasraj will be coming. Yasraj, a famous rapper, will be coming to perform. Then on day 2, we have Amit Trivedi, the Bollywood night. A Bollywood singer will be coming to perform. Then on day 3, the fest will conclude by an EDM night in which Lost Stories, famous EDM pair, will be coming to perform.
মানুহে গোটেই বছৰত বহুত বস্তু শিকিছে লাইক আমি PR ব্ৰাণ্ডিং এটা টিম আছে তেওঁলোকে শিকিছে কেনেকৈ পাৰ্টিচিপেণ্টছ আনিব পাৰে কেনেকৈ ডিফাৰেণ্ট কলেজেছৰ লগত কণ্ডাক্ট কৰি পিনি কেনেকৈ এটা কমিউনিকেশ্যন এষ্টাব্লিছ কৰিব পাৰি
I'm the General Secretary Cultural Board from the Student Gymkhana Council. So for the student community, Alchiranga is the most awaited event throughout the year. So this time it is the 29th edition, and Alchiranga for all of us is the golden time. I would like to tell you about the number of events and the competitions. We have over 100 events in a span of 3 days and 4 nights. And apart from that, we have 45 plus competitions. And we get participation all over India, even from international, and like thousands of students come and participate in Alchiranga. We have all type of competitions, be it fashion, be it music, be it dance, be it art talkies. And apart from that, in events, one of our flagship events is Creators Camp. In Creators Camp, in 3 days in the main auditorium, we invite a number of creators from all over India, the most prominent names in the industry, and they get a chance to engage with IIT Guwahati. The students get a wonderful opportunity to engage with their favorite creators in India. Thank you.